Namaskara. Welcome to Movement Nuances series. This is the third video of my talk with Dr. Lalita Srinivasan.
So, Auntie, usually, see, we see a finished product, or like you said, you have done all the homework, and then you come in front of us, and then you start teaching us, then you start guiding us, you tell us what to do, and you explain the situation of whether it's a dance drama or a dance item. But have you come across any time in any, whether it's a dance production or a dance item, like how a writer has a writer's block? Have you gone completely blank and like, oh, I
Yes.
don't know what to do, how to do, where to go from here? So how have you tried to figure out what to do and overcome that or work around that?
No, it is something like, yes, that has happened many times to me. And also, I don't like to do new items very often because it gets repeated. Your thoughts gets repeated. So I like to give a little distance between each, space between each, whatever compositions I do. It happens. It's a wonderful experience to create. It really, I don't know from where it comes. Maybe ಈ ವೇದ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳುವಾಗ ಶ್ರುತಿ ಸ್ಮೃತಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, the shruti is what is taught to you. Smriti is what occurs within your mind and you don't know from where it comes. It comes because you have imbibed that shruti and then you have went on thinking about it, and then it takes a mutated form, I suppose, like the virus. and then, it occurs to be, it seems to be a different version or something. Actually, even in Nishami Brahma, I didn't want the first scene to be exactly Bharatanatyam, Pushpanjali, and thing like. And that is especially, I went on thinking how to do this, how to do this, how to do this. It was annoying, and I was very quite disturbed about it. Then something suddenly occurred, and jatis seemed to flow. And also, when you the music, if the ready music is there, many times you go on singing the repeatedly, and you get ideas. Especially tillanams. I love composing tillanams. They are my favorite subject. And seeing others also, it's a very good habit to watch others and what they are thinking, how they have put it together, and how you can adapt yourself to such kind of motives or situations.
You take the lyrics, if it is a dance item or a production with lyrics as a prominent subject, then lyrics form the basis for your thinking in that direction. If
No,
it
no,
is
not really. Not, yeah, mostly it has happened.
yeah.
But and otherwise also like Angabhava, where I wanted to depict the moods and Navarasas through only body movement. That I learned, I should say, I must give credit to Didi Mayaro. We had her this thing, workshops here before she settled down to her this thing. I was taken as her assistant also because I had a lot of contact with her in Delhi itself. So she used to give us exercises like turn your back and do your movements because your face is not seen. But what you are doing, we should be able to predict. So that triggered this thought in me that Navarasa can not only be on your face, it can be totally in your body. The inner connectivity should be connected to outer visibility. That should happen, isn't it? Another thing is Ashtanayika Prasanga I have done, which is only Kandapadyas. Kandapadyas are small verses which is used for before the Javli to depict that particular Naika, whether she's a Proshita Patrika, Vinod Kantita, or Vasak Sajja. So madam gave me 9 of them. I made one because there was no Purushita Patrika. She had forgotten that. So I made that and I put them together, strung them together to make Ashtanayika Prasanga. But what I've used is when one dancer is explaining the Naika, doing the lyrics, there's a tableau behind which shows that particular Naika. Like Vasaka Sajja is dressing up, sitting, looking into the mirror. Her Saki is helping her to put the flowers or something. And the other girl, the four of them I use, 3 of them are doing the tableau. And the other girl is dancing that. But the Nrita portions also I have used movements which depict whether she's sad or happy or exuberant or in anticipation. The movement itself has stretches and all say she's anxious, she's waiting. And when she's sad, her body sags and the movements say she's so disappointed. So I like to use both the vocabulary of facial abhinaya and the Nrita aspect of the body language.
If it was coming to just one dance item, for example, Javli, which really is like it's a joy to be performing that and learning that from you. I mean, I have learned from you, but for someone who has not been in your class, has not gone through the teaching process, how are you going to make sure that the student who is standing before you is able to understand and express it as much as you would like them to? So both the aspects.
No, I'm not such a stickler for style. Honestly, I'm not. And these days, especially, everything is merged into each other, I feel. But they must understand the whole thing. If they do something which is not entirely pertaining to that mood or that meaning of the thing, then I try to correct them. If they are a little different, I don't mind, actually. The whole understanding of the lyrics, the melody of it, and how you react to that is more important than Makika Maki, you do what I do is not for me anyway. Actually, Venkat Lakshma used to be like that. She used to day one Matada Bharadana Maramanane. Today she would do something, tomorrow she would do something else. And she never said, do only this, do only that. Even that was not with her. Her abhinaya was that we had to watch and learn. Never led us on to say, hige madu, ade madu, ide kai madu, ade kai madu. In the totality, the feel must come. Javalis are my favorite. I used to do evening of Javalis only as a performance. 5-6 Javalis enough an evening. Imagine people used to sit and watch, they had the patience. Not these days. Ballenelo priya ninnana balle. 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 Yellamayaka Ritanana balle. Yellamayaka Ritanana balle. Ballenelo priya ninnana balle.
Thanks, Auntie. That was really lovely. I mean, we have seen it, and I'm also happy that I've seen you perform this on stage also. I still remember one occasion when, of course, it was a very long time ago, probably like 10, 12 years ago or more than that. at ADA Rangamandira. You had performed Chilipi Soga Soga. You were performing on stage, and then my kids were making a lot of noise, so we had to. I was literally standing on right at the entrance, like in the door, and right till there, whatever you were expressing, I mean, it was like communicating all the way till there with the same intensity that I'd seen you in class as well. And I was like, how is that possible? You know, it's like, so it's not easy at that.
People have commented, we have seen you either on stage or in the class, it doesn't seem to matter. It doesn't seem to matter. As soon as I take up the piece, that's it. Whether it's class or whether you are on stage, you forget the stage, you forget the people. What you are doing is the item. You must do justice to the item. And it pours out from you after a lot of practice. Abhinaya needs much more planning and practice than Nritta. Nritta is a skill. Abhinaya is something from your soul and heart and your understanding in totality of the Nayika, the lyrics, the music. That was the highlight of the Mysore school, which I think I have imbibed to some extent at least.
It's really a joy to watch you do the Abhinaya items, and you know the way your eyes express what, like just now when you even express the Ballanelu prayer also, there are so many shades to the way you are addressing the Nayaka there.
Actually, Venkat Lakshma wanted us to do, we had to do 7 times, 9 times the same line in different ways. Also, music was also given importance. Sangatigalu haadlikke, musician should be ready. As I do the hand, his ballenelo would go a little longer than ballenelo. Ballenelo helidaga, ballenelo. Ballenelo, it stretches. So you can manage that movement.
Thank you for watching this video. Follow us on Instagram for more updates. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our channel.